a girl. She's a girl.
Okay, you put his hands on now. Let me see.
There it goes. And where's Miss Crunch's hair? Where's the Miss Crunch's umbrella? The last
Who else do we have to do?
Her.
Who? Yeah, go on, you do it.
I'll do her.
That's not where he goes, silly. Look in the picture. Good girl.
And where's he's finding the bear. He's the bear. Whoopsies. Where she goes?
Look in the picture. Look at the picture.
He goes there. He goes there. Oh, my sister. It's on the side of the box.
Where's the bear go? Are you sitting on him? There he is.
Oh, there he is. He's on her. There she goes.
Cool.
I see her. And where's the rest of her?
Where's the rest of them?
Here's the rest of her elbow.
Let me see.
Yeah, yes, her elbow. Where is
I think that's up at his head. Wow, where's his body?
I'll find her body. That's the rainbow.
Silly Layla.
That's the rainbow.
Where's the bear's body?
And that's the rainbow.
There is a rainbow.
Just said little red arms, blue, rainbow cover me and you. We can't find our body because it's so muddy. It is. But stay for. It's not our body.
Where does that go?
That goes.
Go
There's
girl.
her body.
Yeah, where's the bear's body?
I was the wrist guy, and there's the rest. There's this. That's this guy. That's this guy.
It's upside down.
Whoopsies. Whoops, our bird come.
No, it goes in the other one, I think. Good girl. Yeah, where's...
Whoops, I had to fix them. I don't know how to fix
Where's the rest of the sky? Okay. What about them pieces over there?
Put them pieces over there. I put them on.
Where did they go?
This is go a pie outside the ferry. And did you get print?
No.
Oopsies.
Let's get the rest of his head first. Where's the rest of his head?
That's his ear. That's his head. That is his head. That is his head. There is his head. Whoopsies.
That's the top one. Yep. I like your socks.
That's pink and that's black and pink. Pink, red.
And what about the last two pieces? You've only 2 pieces left.
And 1 piece left. 2 pieces left.
Yay!
I made it.
That's it. I made it.
I made it.
Who made it with you?
You and me.
And me. Did you do it on your own or did I help?
You help me, I do my own, and you go tiny, and I did my own.